Okay, so for this tech video, it's going to be a little bit kind of a wide-ranging thing, and I'm going to probably reference a bunch of things, maybe. So this is more of a comment that I got from somebody that just talked about that they liked that I did the video about being handy, how it's helped me in photography, and maybe I should do more DIY stuff. So I don't do a lot of DIY stuff, but if you guys want to see that, comment below and let me know if you want to see that. I feel like there's a lot of channels that do DIY. But that being said, I do think that, like most things, if you understand what the pro thing does, it's a little bit easier for you to create something when you are in need. So I may have mentioned this in that video, I can't remember, you know, the time that I was a photo assistant and we flew down onto shoot this cruise ship job, not shoot the cruise ship photos, but shoot the advertising of the cruise ship. And our case with all of our frames for our scrim gems didn't arrive. We just had fabrics. Also, we didn't have like any power packs, I think, too, for the lights. We had like only, basically had to use available light, and we only had scrims and reflectors and no way to really hold them. So we knew what we needed, right? So when we got on the boat, we started talking to the guys that did the maintenance, and we were able to use PVC pipe and build frames, and we shot everything. What we did was we rearranged the schedule because we were going to be in port, you know, whatever, in 3 days. So we moved around the schedule to shoot stuff that we could shoot with available light to those areas, you know, and we just used the scrims to get them all. And that's what we did. We built what we needed because we knew what we needed, right? We knew that if we had the scrim gems, we would have built them and controlled the natural light, and that's how we would have shot. So this was literally just building the thing around it. Same is true with reflectors, right? If you grab a piece of foam core board and you're bouncing in white or silver or whatever, you're doing it because you know what you're looking for, and that's why you're building this thing. So I think the idea, I mean, I've done a lot of failed DIY stuff, I should tell you that. When my sister, first she got into some filmmaking, and we started watching videos, all these fun DIY videos. We built cranes and we built sliders. And I gotta tell you, these things were heavy and clunky, and yeah, we saved a few bucks, but you know what? I wish I had just like picked the thing I wanted and bought the proper thing, because I gotta tell you, it was a nightmare moving that stuff around. So DIY is great to help you try things. DIY is great to help you make something that's very unique. DIY is great when you need it because you're in a pinch. But when it comes down to it, I would much rather have a handful of really good pieces of equipment and just make those work than 50 things that I built myself that in the end cost the same amount as the 3 good things. Because I think in the end, having those pieces of equipment that are reliable, that you can always count on, will get you further. So DIY is great. If you guys want to see DIY videos, I can build some stuff. You know, it's really fun. I don't know if it'll be, it's in a few days, so I don't know if I'll have this edited by then. But I'm doing something in Adorama, and I'll put a link to it, whether it's done, if this video comes out first, then I'll put a link after the fact, I guess, where I'm doing a cheap lighting seminar, which I usually do once a year. And we will look at some of the less expensive stuff and kind of how to make it work for you. But again, I'm from the philosophy of, you know, DIY is awesome when you need it, and it's good that you can learn. But if you don't know the techniques and stuff and you're just building stuff to build it, then it's not going to be that useful for you. So yeah, build stuff. Let me know, do you guys build stuff? You know, I'd be curious actually to see your rigs and what you guys have built, or especially add-ons. I always love add-on stuff. But anyways, go ahead and leave some comments below. Ask me some more tech questions. Send me some DMs. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.